So everybody's been asking me to document the creation of this carbon fiber camper shell, and I've done so in photography, but I just can't do the video because I get too perfectionistic and want to set up shots and all that stuff. So consequently, I'm about 2/3 of the way through the completion without any real video tours. So I've decided I'm going to stop and just start posting short, crappy quality videos with a little dialogue to kind of tell people what I'm doing and how it's going, because it is an interesting process, all the way from making the carbon fiber to the whole design and creation of this thing from the ground up. So this is basically a quick overview of the camper shell itself in its up position, and the idea is for it to be a hard top pop-up camper, and I have actually done some video of the camper popping up. This is essentially where I'm at this point with the carbon fiber construction and the windows. I've got the door in, and I've got the windows in, and basically now I'm working on the inside of the camper. This is the inside right here, and I've been putting the floor in, which consists of first carbon fiber bottom, and then I've been using 1-inch insulation, which you can see up here, and then putting an outside layer of carbon fiber for the floor. So now I can actually walk on it. From inside, you can see that that's where the table is going to be, and the dining area. Refrigerator will be underneath the seat right there. There'll be another seat here, which is going to be more of a sofa almost style, so it's nice and comfortable to read on. Plenty of light. And as you can see here, this will be the kitchen section right here. Bedroom section is right here, and of course it's a cab over camper, so that's exactly how that will work. I don't want the entire thing looking like carbon fiber on the inside, so I'm actually playing around with encasing some fabrics in carbon fiber, and I think this is the one I'm going to use for the inside. I'm trying to decide what I'm going to do with the ceiling. I had an idea of doing it with this red material, but I don't like the look of it, so I'm probably going to do something a little bit different for that. But I want it all easily cleanable so that there's nothing that holds dust, especially considering I may be in some very dusty environments. Out here you can see my 3D printer farm, where I'm actually working on all of the trim, which I will do another video on later.